So someone on Discord wanted a tutorial, so I'm gonna create one. So open Gacha Life. I'm gonna make sure it has a low volume this whole time. Make your OC however you want it to work. You can skip this part if you want. I'm gonna speed it up. I might, but I'm not sure. Then you go into the body sheets and you take a screenshot of each of them. If I still got it, so I'm gonna look at that after. After you did that, hop into Ibis Paint X. Then you press on the plus sign and press import picture. And you import this, whichever one you want to first. And you start removing every part of it. If you want, you can shade it a bit. It's optional though. I'm going to talk a bit while actually doing it. So you can do it multiple times because you'd want to get out, like, you want to get rid of the grey stuff. So now I'm going to get the other parts. Of course, if you want to, if you're just going to do like a small bit of animating, you don't need to necessarily do all this. Like if you're only going to do the head, just cut the head off of a Gacha OC and stuff. I can do a tutorial for that, but I don't really get how to title that. Sorry, I'm not. You know, I'm going to stop talking because I really have no clue what I'm saying. So once you have the whole, like every single part of the body parts, you have to organize it. So I'm going to put it near the top here. Of course, for this, I'm going to separate this layer. So I put it like that. Put it a bit higher up, actually. Of course, you do it however your OC looks. But yeah, it's quite simple. I'm going to skip this part. Also, you might want to add some other parts, like you might not want to put them on separate layers, like for here, for example. So basically do that with just the legs and the hands. Okay, now, once you've done that, you can either shade it, or you can skip shading and just save all the layers. You can see what, like a little mini image, if I'm gonna have to deal with that after, because I just saved one and then it instantly went like that. Okay, anyway, so I'm gonna continue doing this. I'm gonna skip this. Now you hop into Cute Cut or Cute Cut Pro. You can choose whichever one you have, really. I'm using a green screen because I always do. I don't know why, but I do. You can add any audio. I think I'm going to do the Waves meme because that's what I'm working on. Okay, I realized I didn't separate all the body parts, like all of them. I forgot to separate some of the eye parts. So if you want, I can do a remake of this tutorial because of that, or I can extend it to be longer. But so far, you just put all your body parts into it. I'm just going to do one of many blinking ways because I have like 3 main ways of blinking. So now that I've done that one, I'm actually going to send this to this one. I just cut all the layers to like that so that it is the right length. So it's quite simple, really. So of course I'm not going to show you the exact method because I realized I didn't do the eyes, but I will do this. So for starters, I'm going to put it up there so I can make the OC hair turn up. Okay, there we go. Just do that for all the hair like I'm doing. It's as simple as you can see. I'm probably just going to say it's simple. Just stopped recording. But then you can basically choose however you want the arms to move. I'm pretty sure it was like, I don't know how I did mine. I'll show you the project so you can see it in like a better way. No, that's the wrong one. This one. No, that's not it. Y'all are just seeing me do the project this whole time. Okay, I'll stop replaying that. It's probably annoying. So I'm going to continue this. You go here, and you really can make it go however you want. Of course, you don't have to put the circle, but if you want to, it will help you a bit. Then you can. Like, it's not going to be that much ease, we're just going to stop and like ease a few things. So I'm going to try the blinking method, which is very simple. I just do this. Take a moment to look at that. Sorry I'm replaying it so much. I remember I tweened this leg a bit. Also, sorry I'm not animating the skirt. I got this the wrong one. So I'm pretty sure that's it. If you want, I can remake this tutorial.